for me omaha about Asempa 94.7. Dwumadie ya to ni din se kanewu because we can be one can we be moson for Kofi Kapito ma betena konwam wo kwa Asempa 94.7 kwa Facebook asema ye be kan when you like it and then you share it. And also come here my personal page. Or Facebook, Kofi Kapito, and also bet me I like it. Na the Obeka. And our Facebook so bet me the or comments about near calm our life. No being with also so contribution, no.
Asempa FM.
And memana omware Queensta wo mutrimu no. Ma start JJ application because I feel with the kwan bia so no obako opo yebesum no kra yebesum no because we ya che otifia nkra na bebire ko aka wono nko a ene the sister la that so we your friend say short hair ne boys na mo so mo papa ya agbede fu wa wo mo amoso so mo kontokwa we chire no muntie ni ye we nyina money matters. Because my mount be share there anya there be baso yeah money ya me de say abetodwa say ya o man panyini President Nana Akufo-Addo was say me kayon from office of the president Flagstaff for press release was Ghana committed to ending plastic waste menace. President Akufo-Addo promise. I am the say, Oman Penini, and say he is committed. Say plastic especially. Ye nyina ti krom ha. Ye nim say eyade a hayen. Ye wo ministries. Also omo hwe. Ye wo Ministry of Environment. Ye wo Ministry of Sanitation. And yes, our local government ministry. Sa juma ministries me nsan we. E almost said say sa plastic waste we no. E was say etuotwa. Dem ga bat yase. E was say etuotwa. Na yetikrom ha. Me Professor Frimpong Boating. E me be ka say me ma me rewo ye.
Asempa FM.
Say plastic for no dia entimi nyon hwe say plastic for no ekro no mo dia yetia no mo hwe sa asuma de osum na sa bag tuntum no e ya de fo ayeso so no sa bag no Queensta dia bufu ni say enye first grade rubber o ma ya bibie wie na dia tetie dia bubuo no ni anane ni dia ye asama de osum aman. Yes, akwaye che waye nsa na waye bibie wie no wo se de aka no wo de kwaye apetehye sa enetie. The question is His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo tax these ministries, local government ministry, because assembly is nyina ehwe o mase, Ministry of Environment Professor Frimpong Boating. And I'm here, ba Sicilia brother pana abrada pa environment. Yes, asuma ye kano. Yentimi nyenu who meka I am quoting because we've talked about plastic for almost 10 years. The commitment and the guts yet like it's been done. And then Japan, they've banned plastic completely. Japan. Other places, you know, no, because they be adia asama ma no, and they'll be proper bisa. Mammy, to come by and say, and now on it, walk or tidy, not say open plastic in the tomam. Says Cano, woman, the cocoa, ye. Send a bear on mobile disposable fee. Ghana Hayatia, Sir. Plastic Association for no
FM.
Do na ye no omo Ghana for India for Lebanese for I know yes edge. The question I'm asking is say Omonokra Association no sika say no dia towards supporting the cleaning of their own plastic. Me who say pure water for no em say omo say nkofo bi sisa now the kwa a good thing, a wonderful thing. So my encouraging nkofo say wo the other bar near we amount na kakra be nyama no na de yin say omo wi a no must recycle no must their brain. Krista industrial ya your company or your biodegradable plastic bags. Ghana ha yamanen ton what they call export. Mekau the ministry is aware. Honorable from Pombating is aware. The local sanitation minister is aware. Local government ministry is aware. Tiebetra amobi nisika kakra obenyantino na Ghana mra anase Ghana nhyehyɛ ya de ba se ye be ma plastic enne hwɛ miwa video bi wo ma de so Krista mewe hoye dizen go ka se enne epofo no kwapo a ye be yi nam no na wa memne plastic kwame obo ade ase ono so ko engagement bi aponchi Krista na no me kuma dafo bi office osu ne store ase aponchi edimu apon amuni stew aponchi yesa da be na aponchi edi amuni stew amuni stew egu robem eni sa aponchi no odi wia obamene Krista me ya kiro me we say hey Ghana enti Ghana ye dia say ene Krista aponchi ni gina ho no ene wo wie no se me boa dia dance here aponchi a wo di mu a e wo rubber bag e wo ayimo plastic bag aponchi di mu aponchi ene Ghana ayam ene ponchi edi mu emoni stew Modi me say e me phone so me say dey twaye adanse die ntinu me twaye because Ghana okoka yes wo boa ye betra kroma anem ponche we plastics anentwe we plastics e be kakra mutri anye ya entwe ne nkrante ewo enwura mu nyina e be we plastics ni bi na mu de muti kroma ye tra kroma ma Rwanda ekura wo de she Ghana eyema Ghana aise oba awonyem e be kata no hu nyina o metimenya courage o metimenya kukuduro ye niema ne etikroma brofo akese ni aka na workshop there be a workshop what about some action me say local government unim ya na eni kan unim say under local government municipality bia wo kwan a onatimi on an bylaws and it's assuming say came for no munya ready a me for mo ntimi nyama bylaws nka say me die yempene amienye ABCD a bylaw a guidelines you can set up your own guidelines money authority no ye ko kan ye mienka me sure man panyini me support o say wo say you committed. Now commitment is not just words. Commitment is when I see action. When you have instructed South 3 ministries way, local government ministry, Ministry of Environment, and Ministry of Sanitation. Say what programs, and I say what are you giving to them for them to tackle the menace of plastic waste in Ghana? Aponchi awodi emuni stew. What plastic robem wo di na ene da plastic no o memene yeti kroma wo koka yo bi si aferi aden na wo kasa na wo beji aban agbeji to be na wo sha me bo se wo be hwa ma mi yiye die ma etumpo no me kokasa wo si buwe we dey one aka yo me da wase wo si I should not be a spectator, I should be a citizen, and being a citizen, and that is the duty of a citizen. The duties of a citizen is to let leadership know say and never been quiet. where there was maybe who could baby say Accra will be the cleanest or one of the cleanest cities in the world. Is that what Accra is today? Measures be na okay we no. Wo the good from Emma me Kofi Capito. Me who say ampa ye kofa dustbins twetwefo bi. Ebe sisi ho no ma dustbins ni kra ye makra ye mefa no esi sen. Pamane ne kohwe the way omo ye no. Wo koka ye me enka. Omo so omo to kwan yo. Omo ko hu bio. Ana mo ba papa na mo ko hu na mo no no. Mo ba mo nya bie. Mo amoye in charge no. Aden create team no enti no say ye mistake ni atu aba ma o panyini no ma panyini so ka say adwuma no me nyina me ntimi nye na me de bi ma ye isa pa kwesi Queensta say omonye bi mo amia na pa Queensta ene ye isa ene pa kwesi omo de
FM
ene ma de nkwa ne mfa ma wo mo adwuma de ukoka wo say ai ene enya me asese de enyo asade na eye me de me na o panyini de mami wan fa mami saati papa ya kokan o panyini kokan meni age ho papa by the me bisa ne say eniema be na wo ka kire Ministry of Local Government amona ka kire assemblies no asa ka kire Ministry of Environment omno me in charge of environment asa na Ministry of Sanitation ediana efutu be na odi tu omo anase edwuma be na odi show omo say omo nye se de okoka ona akotu nanu to no we de nyam na mekoka ma no ona ne kan se ne be ya nani so ade na office abe ya ha wo Ghana ha no o betimi ahwe amana akwa ya ade a Ghana ha ebe ya kra behwe they said ona aka say Accra is going to be the cleanest city in Africa and also the cleanest city in one of the best cities in the world. The question is, I don't see it. I'll be honest. I don't see it. I don't see it. So let me see it, Mr. President. Then I can say, under the stewardship of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, Ghana has become a clean city. 0302216545, 0302216546, 0302216546, 0302216545. Hwɛ sɛ mo yan mo papa no ama yan ko ama sa companies na omo ye plastics no kankani asama do esum na enne bibi obeto bia na edishem
Asempa
utoko kwa ne de egu plastic im ne asa de ashe plastic im woto kosa ye de gu plastic im a ne asa de ashe plastic im wokoto wache wo de gu plastic im a no asa de ashe plastic im enti plastic nkwa adwuma ne ye 0302216546. Hello.
Bravo fi Capito.
Yes sir.
Bravo fi Opareni.
Opare koso.
Yo, nyame asumje nkan na wie.
Ebi so.
Ni me bravo fi. Wo die enepa na wo pe ama oman konkon da na tema mu fu ayewo mu. Na minim se nyame be hira ama waye de waye nhira wo ne a wo hwehwe ama yen temamfo. Bravo fi she eye ni wu de masa empenfo a president he is willing to do the work, but nipa bia wa no omo any wade because papa ne kasem ne church of say sa niam na nyina system nim na yenya ye de ya ho odin sa niam na ma ye lusu anwodin bebre e wo environment team so ada papa na ready to obema sa niam na bi but aduma na wode ma on akatua nko na o mani ye de ekumu but won hye ma ye ntime mu ko na ye se wo ye na ye ho odin ekosoro anasa ye ho didi ekosoro no omo nhye ana o ma ye won trust na onyankopon asem no kwa ma ye tere sa ho ni di ehia ma nipa ndi se won hwe no won ya won de ebe so ama won so ebe ka won ani se de kan ye wo from onyame nso man konkron Ghana
Me danse Opare you this so mra 03. Hello.
yeah me pato ka segbe ni me so mu osumu wa ekoche
Ka segbe
never fear
mate what say me
bra we express ampa wa ka se mu no ni amani ku mu pa se abrenya ami ti na so ni nye kwan e ma me ne o ye de enkasa wala se se nyame ay ma dom de onyame Israel be bra he ade bi o wa e ya sometimes ye mpem for ya e ya ma ni so hu se ɔman no sɛ yɛkɔ yɛkɔ bio yɛnyɛ dɛ yɛhunu nanso mesrɛ ɔmo ara ɔmo nhyɛ no ɔmo yɛ ade pa meme wo sɛ Ghana ma mpanyini yɛ ayɛto abama no papa no nya sɛ bɛyɛ nneɔma bebree de ama yɛn nanso sɛdeɛ nnipa no a yɛwɔ mu no yɛsu bi ɛ sɛ yɛsesa na mpanyimfo no nso a papa no ayi mu a wɔne ama no adwuma bi no monhwɛ na mo so motesa mo suban bi ne yɛntimi nkɔ yɛnim sɛ mesrɛ wo bebree ɔmo hwɛ na ɔmo yɛ ade pa mfa ma yɛn na Ghana yɛnkɔ yɛnim because ɔman no ɔmo kɔ ɔmo anim ade pa na ɔmo yɛyɛ ɛna ɔmo yi korɔ no ne nneɛma bɔne de fii ɔmo mu ɛne ɔmo ani so sɛ daabi wɔdwene nkyiri mba ho so ade ase ana ɛma ɔmo adu mpɛmpɛn so ɔwɔduru Ghana how come sɛ yɛyɛ bi a yɛso yɛrenkɔ yɛnim ma nneɛma papa yɛ de ɛmba yɛn abrabɔ nti mɛsrɛ mpanyinfoɔ no a ɔmo wɔ saa no nyinaa sɛ wɔnhwɛ wɔde mmara ne ba na yɛdi so keten a obiara bɛsɛ sɛ ne su ama yɛayɛ dɛ yɛakɔ yɛnim nti mesrɛ bebree nyame ɛnka yɛ nyina yɛn ho
amen hello
former Kumasi Asante Kotoko management member.
Oh, they are also against him. Many need the same team. They say, "Me no, you're fine."
Never tried it.
So has na more Kotoko.
And then you're going to never try from a master again.
Max Koso.
Never try no. Papa buy it or name one. Mimi about
one tias, about train him not tias here.
What some of no second.
What tias you
program
Mati, you.
Let me about Princess Simpson. But also forms to Ben, I would you premium your budget.
A major application for our year.
Now, a member to buy on your man what to million.
Almost dozen application. Me will be unfair. My own domano. Where's what do I know? I don't know. A bit more sanity.
Baby, if you're not for any more, right? No, we know man on the support to Prince on why. The church must be a food now. Capito Mino Yarding and a year to no man penny a yard. Share Ghana Hamaka. You're 12 a year, some may call radio to say, or man penny to my day a year. The ministers and a bit to my one. My Ghana Hammer, who is there, or man penny be a still in the ministers in the M1 and on my feet. Check the way it's fit, and what Ghana had. The food park. Now we say yes, Ghana tomorrow hand we say papa.
Asempa FM.
It's a den and car. Anyone will think you penny for any company that can say ever try to know share. As the real a Jumana Moy and a poor mine, Nemo a sisu at the blow mine also. A daughter, it's no yen share, a bit to make a fee, a year free found a fee, a fee got and then a year for water. That's what no. I see for any account number, the swollen it be about roll of quantity for Fino. It's a plan, I will hold in my end. The penny for I have to about a young moment there. And no more can one second pay no more yet. Yeah, and it was any one would be any penny for any on my year. Then on mine, never 2 points at that war on my Canana. But when I mean,
Yamisin show when show I'm print 030. Hello.
Hello.
Yes,
hello.
Good morning. Well, good afternoon.
But good afternoon.
Me pacho, I mean you are better, Kase.
But a friend,
Ima pacho koso, Kase free.
but I'm going to say the two.
Yo, Dome koso.
Sure, sad and some with your king. About Pafokwa, if you say, Sarah Bay, who could talk a beer ash now the boom one. And no to me more my own home with the crown. Oh, in Cadentino, Moon, Daniel Manin to the Dana from and from Pomu. Oh, a look where they say, offer the beer, a picking the beer, they say, a year croma. Oh, I would be one, can't be one, and yes, and a day crowd, a dance what the table of the brain, and say, not dead. Ibinten say Miguel Sanya who am tiati
o de no ye beba so kwan a ye ma kwan e ma nkrofo si dan ba heart wo Ghana ha a ye se ye wo town and country planning for ye baby Mati yo that's it me that's yo 0302216545 hello
Lagovi.
Yes sir
Pajo me din John because every kwame kuma say
John Pacho koso
Lagovi nyame nshira na American sanitation nka me de menya pa aban konye nsatra sanse bosome na yeye no emmoa nka tourist bia na nka yeye
bosome bia na woka
sanka e bia o se Saturday bia
wahine miema assembly si nya adwuma se wotiwe wetua property rate wetua wotuo nyina enye na wokwa akwose bola enye wadwuma
aye no kure
enti mama kasa mo kiro enti the assembly si nya adwuma no because unim sa wo fu assembly now assemblymen, now DC. Who was uncophoning Nayamomo, Acadia Nina, and was set on pattern, and you know, also Uko to thank you, and also Bisa, and also Bisa.
Our mind, your more just there, Obi and a Juman and Quasua, the passion high near Jasan, on one for the Juman tour. I see a number of who's at Yami, Mintimia, made the two will be met also. But the Besha, so one year, no man penny, want to miss a kidney papino, Munio, Majumay. That would be, I did a bomb pie, say, obey a friend says, Satan meeting, Nibi. Nanky, Yada, Bishan say. And to me, I'm not Kaza, I'm not saying, Omoya, here, thank you, here, and for Binu to someone. What you know, my gun, I want to come up with some and some how may your bro for some here, may Omonco, some no my go so Mobi here, come on, when you have Breno, because somebody above. Yes, you are. Obi Baby Robia was still mine. For customer, William Yamoka. Yeah, that's what you wouldn't have
young far or friend for back when I mean, hello.
Asempa FM.
Hello, 0302-216-545, 0302-216-546. We are afraid for bear back when I mean, be was right. Young for Mona, young because when you share Brony, when you Jimmy Fool, Brony, what drink that, what drink the Ebehano. So na ya hu se roba yi etiti yen nyese ye hu yo enso kwan a sebi ukoka yesi obi adwuma a nipa no obi nka se mesi company wo krom ha wo ye biodegradable ones wo ho ye mane nto no krom ha because plastic one for no ene ne kontokwa what they call export what they call Sierra Leone. What they call Liberia. As you come, Yakofa and Crofua, or Mudi, in Hamro, and Yaji almost. Okoka, you see, I know Muti attacks. A dear tax in the Eka. You see it, Mikase, Yanni a dear home. Ghana, Yasi and Pa, Nay and Pet, period. Near Nyai, dear Yayano. Yes, I am wying. Democrat here. Etiefo emre midibisia kanewu ensemfu ehin mosomfo Kofi Capito ma sorry so